Well, hello, once again, I'm the Rifter. Welcome to a third exciting tutorial about how to do things in Keap, which this is more of it's not really how to do things in Keap. This is actually a Google Sheets tutorial, but it is about Keap, if that makes any sense. So I'm actually going to show you how I weed out duplicates in Keap, because I don't have access to the admin side. But what I do is I will actually export the entire Keap database. All the names, phone numbers, addresses, and emails in our database. And I will export that to an Excel document. Then I'll actually open it up in Excel. So this isn't exact, but if you use spreadsheets enough, you will understand it. So I've set up my columns with Keap name, Keap phone, Keap email. It's pretty easy to understand. And we would just paste in our people. And I'm just going to mix them up a little bit because I put this together a little while ago and matched everything up. So I don't want it to be in the exact same row. So I didn't get these names out of our Keap database. I used a random name, number, and email generator. So that's why Wilkinson Richmond is with Jamie Schamberger, MD. Or Jamie, I'm not sure which that is. But this is from Keap, we're going to say. So now we have a list of people that we actually want to throw up against this. And I will put that here. Also, you're going to have to select everybody and make sure that this create filter is highlighted. That way you can actually sort your columns. So again, remember, we've got Keap is on the left. The list that we are trying to find out if they exist in Keap is right here in the center. And then the formula we're going to use, or that I use, that maybe somebody has something better, but this is the quickest way. You'll do equal count if, and then we want to do, we're in the duplicate name, so we want to use list name all the way down because we're doing the range first. We're going to put a comma, and our criterion, or what we want to compare it against, is A2. So I know you're kind of, oh, wait a minute, Rifter, you're not doing it right. You've got, I know, baby birds. I'm feeding the people that don't know, so calm down. So I'm going to copy that, and I am going to paste one right there, and paste one right there. And what this is doing is transposing, like if I go from left to right, you see it's got E2 and E101 and A2. So if we go to the right, we've got F2, F101, and B2. Then we got G2, G101, and C2. So before we copy and paste this formula down these rows, what we need to do is put a $sign in front of E, in front of 2, another one in front of E, and in front of 101. So now that we got that done, we need to do that across these three. Don't put a $sign on the criterion. That would be bad. You want to do it on the range. So now that we got that done, what that does is, remember when we pasted from here to these two? Well, it shifted everything over a row. If we don't put those $signs, every time we paste down here, it will just start moving our search range down until we get to the very bottom, and then our search range is from here to 200. So it doesn't really work out for what we're trying to do. So now you just copy, go down to the bottom, highlight those 3 cells, go back up to the top and paste. So what I like to do next is, if I want to find out if there's duplicates, what this formula does is it counts. It'll put a 1 or a 2 or a 3 depending on how many duplicates it finds. It's comparing this name to everything in this list. It's comparing this phone number to everything in this list, and it's comparing this email address to everything in this list. If it finds something, it will put a positive number, 1, 2, 3, whatever the case may be, however many duplicates you find. But you're searching Keap against your list. Now, if you want to search your list against Keap, you will have to reverse these two. You'll have to put E2 here, and then you'll have to put A2 through A101, and you'll have to put your dollar signs. But the reason you need to filter the tops here is now we can do sort Z to A. Look at that. We've got some duplicates. So again, remember, we're searching these. So we're not searching this. So whatever results this is showing, it's from this side. It's not from here. So don't go saying, oh, so Lorraine Denesic is the duplicate. No, it's Glenna Gutkowski. It's these three people. So then you can actually take, there it is, Alfonso, and you just find those people in here. You can use the Control F function, it'd be a lot easier. Alfonso, there he is. Delete that line, and you just delete your people out of there, the duplicates. So then you can upload your list to Keap, and you know there's not going to be any duplicates. Now I know there's ways to do it on the admin side, but sometimes it doesn't work as well as you think it would. And it's nice to have a clean list to put into Keap. And I know there's add-ons for Chrome that you can download, and there's Zapier or Zapier, however you want to pronounce it. There's integrations that you can use that will allow you to weed out duplicates. But those are also things you pay for. And this literally took me less than 5 minutes to put this together. So it doesn't take long to have a free way to weed out duplicates that is very effective. So this helped you, let me know. Leave some comments, throw a like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. I hope it helped some people who are struggling with Keap. Bye.